Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the security tricks on Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Okay, so let's begin with setting up our screen lock, because that's like the key level of our security. So to enable it, open up the settings. Now scroll down a little until you find security and privacy. And in here we have our lock screen as the first thing, so let's click on that and let's click on the screen lock. We have three types of our screen lock. It can be PIN, password, or the pattern. So select the mode that you want. I'll show you an example of the pattern. So as you can see, we have those 9 dots on the screen, and to create a pattern we need to connect at least 4 of them. We can also read that when we will forget our password, we will be forced to reset our device, and all of our data will be erased. So simply create a pattern or the password that you will remember. If you want to try again, click on retry. If you want to continue, click on continue. Now redraw the pattern and click on confirm to save it. Now it has been set. Click on done. And now the phone also wants us to enable the remote unlock. It is really useful, because when this feature is turned on, we will be able to unlock our phone remotely through Find My Mobile website, even if you forget how to unlock it or lose your device while it's locked. So let's click on turn on. And also we have the fingerprint unlock. It's also really useful. So let's draw our pattern, click on continue, click on register, and now in here, as you can see, the sensor appeared. Now we need to place our finger on it, and when we feel a vibration, we need to lift it up and then place it again. We need to now repeat that process until our fingerprint will be saved. So repeat the process. Okay, you can also try to place your finger in different angles, just like that. Okay, and now the fingerprint has been added. If you want, you can click on add to add another one, or simply click on done to save. Now let's try how those both features work. So let's begin with our normal lock screen. Simply draw it, boom, the phone gets unlocked. Now the fingerprint. Place your finger on the sensor, and as you can see, it also worked just fine. Okay, below we have the accounts. When you click on that, we have a notification from Samsung Account Security and Privacy, so let's click on that. And in my case, I have 20 unchecked events recently, but for me, I know that I was logging in, so nothing is wrong with it. If something will be suspicious to you in here, simply follow the instruction on the screen to solve the problem. Okay, also let's click on Google Account Security to see if everything is fine. In my case it is. If something will be wrong, again, follow the instruction on the screen to solve it. Now let's go into Find My Mobile, and let's make sure that allow this phone to be found feature is enabled. And just like I was saying before, we will be able to visit this site to remotely unlock our device, or when it gets stolen or something like that. Same thing with the remote unlock. Your PIN, pattern, or password will be securely stored by Samsung. This allows you to unlock your phone in case you forgot your unlock method. It also allows you to control a lost phone remotely even when it's locked. So let's turn it on. Draw your pattern to confirm. Oh. In my case, the page doesn't want to launch. I don't know why, even when I have Wi-Fi connected. But you simply... I highly recommend enabling the remote unlock. Okay. And same thing with the offline finding. Locate your phone even if it's offline, and help others and their devices. Also worth enabling. Okay, now let's go into the app security and let's click on device protection. Currently no threats found, but let's scan the phone in search of potential threats. Okay, almost done. No threats detected, 100%. That's the thing that we wanted to achieve. So simply from time to time you can perform a scan right in here to see do you have some suspicious apps or potential threats. Now click on Google Play Protect. In here, let's perform a scan. Okay, no helpful apps found. Good to hear, good to see. So we don't need to do anything. Now let's go into the updates and let's check, do we have some security updates. In my case, everything is up to date. If you have an update possible to download, simply download it. Now let's click on Google Play System Update. And in my case, for example, I have an update available. All we need to do now is to click on download and install, and then we will have to restart our device to complete the update. I won't do it right now because I have other things to show you, but if you have that possibility to download something, simply do this ASAP. Okay, not in here, but below we also have the secure folder. Pretty cool thing. Click on continue. And in here we'll be able to simply add apps into our secure folder. The apps that we want to protect and keep away from unwanted people. So let's create that secure folder. Okay, now select lock type, pin, password, or the pattern. We can also enable the fingerprint that we are using into as our normal lock screen. I'll stick to the pattern. I will use the same. You should pick different than your screen lock. Turn on reset with Samsung account. Thanks to that, we'll be able to reset our lock screen using our Samsung account. That's pretty cool, so I highly recommend turning it on. And now click on next. Now our secure folder has been created. And now I would like to open it. I need to find it also. Here it is. In here you can simply add the apps that you want to keep away from unwanted people. Simply select the app that you want to add, for example the YouTube, click on add, and as you can see now it appeared in our secure folder. So it's also cool having our secure folder. Now I'll go back into the settings. As we go again into security and privacy. Now we also have secure Wi-Fi. It will help us to protect our data when we are connected to public or unsecured Wi-Fi networks. Let's click on continue, click on continue. And if you are connected, also let's click on update. If you are connected into a public network, it's always good to enable that secure Wi-Fi feature. But first I need to install it. Now secure Wi-Fi. Also, if you subscribe to the monthly plan, you can get free unlimited protection for the first month. So now click on protect, for example, for this Wi-Fi. And now we are simply protected. Easy thing. Okay. We also, when we click on install unknown apps, we shouldn't enable anything in here, because, you know, downloading something from untrusted sources, for example, directly from the browser, might be it's not the safest way to download anything, because, you know, in Play Store, every app that it's in there, it's scanned, and we have 100% that it's not a virus or anything. We don't have that confirmation when we are downloading something from the Chrome. So if you want, you can enable to download from the Chrome, but simply be aware that there's a bigger chance that you will download a virus, for example, from the internet, from the browser. So simply verify the links. Don't download anything from suspicious links, and simply be aware of that. Okay. Also, if you want, you can download some third-party antivirus apps from the Play Store. Simply open the Play Store, type antivirus. You will have a whole list of the apps that you can download. But remember that before downloading anything, it's always good to see the reviews about the app. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.